Hello students, hope you are doing well. BSc admission in Telangana along with other similar undergraduate level programs such as Bachelor of Fisheries Science and Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry is done on the basis of TS-EMCET exam, which is also known as Telangana State Engineering, Agriculture and Medical Entrance Test. Every year, thousands of aspirants of Telangana appear in the entrance test, that is TS-EMCET test, with the sole motive to secure a seat in one of the reputed colleges in Telangana state offering these programs. There are basically three renowned universities in the state of Telangana that offers admission into BSc, BFSc and BVSc and AH programs. Admissions are offered in the institutions and colleges that are affiliated with these three major universities situated in Telangana. Also note that if you have qualified ICAR AIEEE UG exam, then also you can apply for BSc admission in Telangana. In today's video, we'll focus on all the basic details regarding Telangana state BSc, BFSc and BVSc and AH admission process, like important dates, eligibility criteria, application process, selection process, etc. Also, we will try to provide you with a list of all those BSc offering colleges in Telangana, BFSc offering colleges and BVSc and AH offering colleges that participate in the counselling process along with their respective seat intakes. So let's begin. The very first is Telangana BSc, BFSc, BVSc and AH counselling dates, which you can check by clicking on the link that has been provided in the video description, where you can find the complete schedule of the counselling process. Now moving forward, let us look at some of the major highlights regarding Telangana BSc, BFSc, BVSc and AH admission process. The name of the admission process is Telangana BSc/BFSc/BVSc and AH admission. The level of the programs is undergraduate, that is UG. The selection is done on the basis of TS-EMCET exam score. The application process is online as well as the counselling process is also held in the online mode. Now let us look at detailed eligibility criteria for Telangana BSc, BFSc, BVSc and AH admission one by one. First, let us look at the educational qualification required for these courses. For BSc Honours in Agriculture, BFSc and BSc Honours in Horticulture programs, the candidates must have passed 2 years intermediate examination on any other equivalent examination. The Board of Intermediate Education of Telangana State should have conducted the qualifying examination from which the candidate have passed. Any other equivalent body that is approved by Telangana State is also acceptable. The candidates must have mandatorily studied biological sciences and physical science at their qualifying exam level, which is mandatory for every student. Now for BVSc and AH programs, the candidates must have passed 2-year intermediate examination or any other equivalent examination. Again, the similar for this course also, the examination that has been qualified by the candidates must have conducted by the Board of Intermediate Education Telangana or any other body that is approved by Telangana State. The candidates must have studied physics, chemistry, biology and English at their qualifying exam, which is mandatory for all the students, and the candidates must have at least secured 50% aggregate in their qualifying exam. For PWD, ST and SC category candidates, the minimum aggregate is 45%. Now we are done with educational qualifications. Let us look at the age eligibility criteria for these courses. For BSc Honours in Agriculture, BFSc and BSc Honours in Horticulture programs, the minimum age is 17 years, the maximum age is 25 years. The maximum age for PWD, SC and ST category candidates is 27 years. The candidate should not be younger than 17 years of age and must not exceed the upper age limit as on December 31st of the year of admission. For BVSC and AH program, the minimum age is 17 years and the maximum age is 25 years. The maximum age for PWD, ST and SC candidates is 30 years. Similarly, the candidate should not be younger than 17 years of age and should not exceed the upper age limit as on December 31st of the year of admission. Now let us look at the application form for Telangana BSc, BFSC, BVSC and AH admission. For all the candidates who wish to get admission to these programs in Telangana, they will have to first fill the application form, for which they will have to visit the official website of PJTSAU. Filling the TS EMSET hall ticket number is mandatory for all the candidates at the time of filling the application form for admission. If we talk about application fee for general and backward classes, the application fee is 1800, while for ST, ST, PH and PWD candidates, the application fee is 900. Now let us look at the selection process for Telangana BSc, BFSC, BVSC and AH program. Selection into these programs at various Telangana institutions is done through the centralized counselling process that is conducted by PJTSAU. A rank list will be published by the admission authority and the candidates who have their names in the rank list will be called for certificate verification. They will have to get their certificate verified at the allotted verification centers. Although Professor Jaya Shankar Telangana State Agriculture University will conduct a separate counselling process on the basis of TS EMSET score obtained by the candidates, and all the colleges affiliated to Professor Jaya Shankar Telangana State Agriculture University participate in the university level counselling only to fill up their vacant seats for 4 years BSc Honours Agriculture. That is, for all other institutes there will be a centralized counselling process, while for Professor Jaya Shankar Telangana State Agriculture University and affiliated colleges there will be a separate counselling process which will be conducted by this university only. Now the candidates will also have to produce original copies of some of the most important documents during their counselling process, and they must keep ready these documents before going for document verification. These documents include class 10th mark sheet or equivalent exam certificate as for the date of birth evidence, class 12th mark sheet or equivalent exam certificate, TS EMSET hall ticket, TS EMSET rank card, class 6th to class 12th study certificates, transfer certificate, residential certificate, social status certificate bearing the seal or signature of the competent authority which is applicable for OBC, ST and ST category candidates. Non-municipal area study certificate form 1, agricultural land holding certificate form 2, certificate of physical disability bearing the seal or signature of the competent authority which is applicable for PWD category candidates, extracurricular activity certificates which is applicable for NCC or sports quota or defense or armed personnel ward certificate. Now let us look at the reservation policy for Telangana BSc, BFSC, BVSC and AH admission. The Telangana state preserves some of the seats as per the reservation policy which we will be discussing now. Let us look at reservation policy for backward classes. For backward class A, 7% of seat is reserved. For backward class B, 10% of seat is reserved. For backward class C, 1%, for backward class D, 7% and for backward class E, 4% of seats are reserved. The total seat for backward class that is reserved is 29%. For scheduled caste, 15% of seats are reserved. For scheduled tribe, 6% of seats are reserved. For National Cadet Corps, that is NCC, 1% of seat is reserved, and for the wards of defense or armed forces personnel, 2% of seats are reserved. Now let us look at the PWD reservation. For orthopedically disabled candidates, 1% of seat is reserved. For hearing impaired, 1% seat is reserved, and for visually impaired also 1% seat is reserved. That is, a total of 3% seats are reserved for PWD candidates, and for the sports quota 0.5% seats are reserved. Okay, now let us look at some of the colleges, a list of participating colleges that provide admission to BSc, BFSc, BVSc and AH program in Telangana state. The very first university is Sri Konda Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University. The colleges that are affiliated to this university are College of Horticulture, Mozzarella Village, and College of Horticulture situated in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. These colleges offer 4-year BSc Horticulture Honours course, and the total intake capacity for these colleges is 130, out of which 20 seats are management quota seats, that is, admission to these seats is done on the basis of merit. The second university is PV Narasimha Rao Telangana Veterinary University. A list of affiliated colleges for this university include College of Fishery Science, Muthukur, Nellore District; College of Fishery Science, Pebair, Vanaparthi District; College of Veterinary Science, Manmoor, Warangal; College of Veterinary Science, Korutla; College of Veterinary Science, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. College of Fishery Science offer 4-year BFSc program, and College of Veterinary Science offer 5.5 years BVSc and AH program. The seat intake for College of Fishery Science in Nellore district is 11, and for College of Fishery Science in Vanaparthi is 25. For veterinary science colleges, the seat intake is total 158. Now the third university is Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agriculture University. The colleges that are affiliated to this university are Agriculture College Sirsilla, Agriculture College Warangal, Agricultural College Palem, Agricultural College Polasa, Agricultural College Ashwarao Pet, College of Agriculture Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. These colleges offer 4-year BSc Agriculture Honours course, and the seat intake for this university is 432, out of which 75 seats are management quota based. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any queries, any questions, you can ask me same through the provided link. Also, you can go through the video description to get all other related links that will help you through the counseling process and other details. Meanwhile, for other counseling process details of Telangana and other state, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.